I'm attempting to increase the resale value of our home by renovating our bathroom. The previous owners applied a really bad paint job to the cabinets and for whatever reason decided to apply orange peel texture on every single wall. So that was my first step, skim coating the entire room to smooth it out. There was too much white in this bathroom, so I decided to add a bit of dimension with Rust-Oleum's Cabinet Transformations kit in the color Castle. It came with everything I needed to paint these cabinets, including crud cutter, cleaner degreaser, and this gorgeous bond coat. I applied 2 coats and then I used some of the leftover paint to bedazzle my new DIY mirror. And while all that dried, I got started on applying my fancy new wallpaper. Now, the vanity light in this bathroom was installed so off-center, so I found the perfect asymmetrical light fixture to work in the space. The only issue was its gold color, but I easily fixed that with Rust-Oleum's universal spray paint in the color Satin Nickel. While that dried, I applied step 2 of my Cabinet Transformations kit, the protective top coat. This was super user-friendly. My last step was to install the light fixture, and ta-da, the transformation was complete. Now here's the before and here's the after. This space feels so much bigger now, and my eye no longer twitches when I look at the off-center light fixture. I love the new color of the cabinets, and hopefully my future buyers do too. Now let me know in the comments, how much value do you think this added to our home?